Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will learn how to turn off TikTok notification on iPhone. To do so, open settings on iPhone, then find TikTok application on settings. You can see the search field on the top. Search TikTok on search field and then open TikTok. Now you can see this panel from where you can control every permission of your TikTok application. To turn off the notification, tap on notification and then you can see allow notification with toggle icon that is turned on. Tap on the toggle icon to turn it off and then all the TikTok notification will be turned off. After that, you won't receive any TikTok notification on your device. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below, and also please do not forget to hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.